What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Slim, aka the Chef, and today I'm going to teach you how to master market structure in under 5 minutes. Let's go. So market structure essentially is just the movement of the market, and the market only moves in 3 ways. It goes up, it goes down, and it goes sideways. So in the uptrend, the market is simply making what we call higher highs and higher lows. Let me demonstrate. So market pushes up, market pulls back, market pushes up, market pulls back. This is what we call a uptrend. And then on the opposite side, market pushes down and then it pulls up. Market pushes down and then it pulls up and then it pulls down. This is what we call a downtrend. So if we're only focusing on the uptrend, this right here is what we call higher highs and higher lows. So we're gonna add a text here. We're gonna make this say HH for higher high. So right here we have a higher high, and then down here we have what we call a higher low. Okay, that's all it is. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. That is what we call a uptrend. And in a uptrend, you are buying at the higher lows and targeting higher highs, and you just simply repeat and repeat. That is how you trade the market when it's in an uptrend, and same vice versa. Now if we're focusing on a downtrend, we shift from higher highs and higher lows to lower highs and lower lows. Let's do LH for lower high, and then let's do LL for lower low. And then the market simply repeats this. This is what we call a downtrend. You will sell at the higher highs, stop loss above structure, and then you target the lower lows, and you rinse and repeat. Now there is another market condition that we call a consolidation, and that is when simply the market is ranging in between. It's not going up, it's not going down, it's just ranging. And you can make buku money off of a ranging market. And if you take a look right here, it's simply when price goes up, price comes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, essentially creating support and resistance. And we would simply just trade in between what's called a consolidation, a range. So now we're going to take it to the live market so we can see how to spot this IRL in real life. And as you can see here, price is simply right here was in a uptrend. It is making a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Once you master this, you will always know where to take your trades, because remember, in an uptrend, we are taking trades at the higher lows. So boom, you had a trade opportunity right here essentially. Then you took it to the next high. Boom, TP hit. What do you do once there's another pullback? You take a trade at the higher low and take it to the next higher high. Boom. And then you rinse and repeat. And you do the same thing in the bearish market. Let's just find a quick example like this one right here. So you got a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, so forth and so on until there was a change in structure here. But don't worry, we'll cover that in another video. And you also have a range. So if I put a zone here and I put a zone here, you can see we have a ranging market. Now on a higher time frame, it may not look like much, it may not look like you have many opportunities, but if we go down to the hour time frame, now you can see exactly how you could have traded the range. Me personally, I'm not a big fan of trading the range, but there is definitely opportunity within the range, as in like right here off of the pin bar or this doji. You could have sold all the way back down, and then boom, price gave you another another buy signal. It gave you a hammer down here, a few dojis showing some indecision. So boom, you could have bought it back up, and then you simply do this until price makes a decision on what it wants to do. And that is how you master market structure in under 5 minutes. Now some homework for you as always, I want you to go to the charts. I want you to right click on here, hit remove all drawings if you do have drawings, and I want you to go and find market structure, identify uptrends, downtrends, and a consolidating market, aka a range, and then let me know how easy it was for you once you watch this video. If you found value in it, go ahead and get that like button, a chef kiss, and don't forget to subscribe. It's been your boy Slim, aka the Chef, and I will catch you all in the next video. Peace. If you enjoyed that video, here's another video on how to identify key levels and make maximum profits. Be sure to check it out.